Hi, my name is Shivram from the Profitful University. In this small video, we'll be discussing about Facebook lead ad. Does it work? Is it costly? Does it work for B2B? And does it convert to sales? And does it give profit? And I'll take you through few achievements with Facebook with lead ads, which I have done for myself, for my clients, and also some of the results of the participants who got from Facebook lead ads. So let's get started. So are Facebook lead ads profitable? That is a $1 million question, and many people ask. And sometimes it is heard saying that lead ads and B2B lead ads basically works for LinkedIn, doesn't work with Facebook, and blah blah blah. So of course it works. It is profitable. I'll show you some case studies. And I've been doing this. I've been practicing this since last 5 years. And when does it work? The question is, it works, but how it works? It works when you know your goal well. If you target the right audiences, then if you communicate very well via ads, it works. You need to also nurture the leads, remarket the leads, and close the sales wisely. This is possible. And a few more questions that people ask, that does it work for B2B? Of course it works. I'll show you some case studies. Does it work for all kind of industries? Yes, it works. I'm sharing 7, 8 types of industries in my upcoming slides. Is it costly? No, it is not costly if you do it well. If you message it right, right kind of people will click on your ad, right kind of people will actually fill up the form, and you can convert them. So keeping in mind that, let's say you are getting 100 leads, spending 10,000 bucks for that and getting 1 lakh rupees out of it, then it is not at all costly for you. Is it profitable? Yes, it is profitable with a lead funnel. Just lead ads will not give you the desired result. So these are some of the case studies we need to see. For example, here we have generated more than 50,000 admission leads and 8,000 admissions in last 3 years for a leading preschool chain. You can see 6,000 leads, 8,000 leads, 3,000 leads per campaign at a very affordable price, 20 rupees, 17 rupees. And unless the business which I'm talking about is getting profit, they will not spend 21 lakhs only on lead ads, and they will not generate 8,000 leads. They will close the lead ad if it is not profitable, if it is not converting. As simple as that. This is the biggest proof. This is for school admission. This is again recent ad for a B2B company, electrical wholesale company who targets electrical resellers. So recently we have done it in the city of Bangalore. So we got 133 B2B leads last month, and out of that 16 lakhs revenue was collected, generated from those 133 B2B leads who signed up for the program. And the cost of lead ad was only 23,000. You can understand the ROI. This is a recent ad again. We generated 150 leads for a BBA aviation program for a college in Bangalore, and out of that 22 admissions happened over a period of 12 to 13 days. And you can very well understand how powerful it is. This is for our own ad for Budget Web Digital, my agency. I generate 100 leads every month. So I generated 199 leads, spent 30,000 rupees on that. And I got 3 retainer clients, and whose average ticket size is 1 lakh or more per month. So of course, I had opportunity to close more leads, but because I wanted high ticket client only, I closed only 3 from that. I met around 20 people. 10 out of 100 were very hot leads. I met with them wherever there was a proper balance between what they need and what we can give. We actually strike a deal. So 3 retainer clients, 1 lakh per month, that translates to 36 lakhs per year. So you can imagine the kind of profit we can get from that. We did this in the month of June again. It was a principal award function and an education event. It was a paid registration again, and 259 people leads we generated, and out of that 100 were required, 100 signed up so they could fulfill their target. This is again for a loan product, basically financial product. So 3,200 58 leads at the rate 6 rupees 50 paise, 56 paise, you can imagine. So 21,000 spent over a period of let's say 10-15 days. And out of that, 10% actually closed. I got the feedback from the DSA agency, daily sales agency, basically. And they could close home loan, personal loan kind of product, and 10% converted. I'm sure the rest of the leads will also convert in coming days. This is for a MLM company, basically. So it was a paid workshop and we generated lead for them. And at the cost of 6,000, we got 258 paid registrations. This is again, okay, this is for an NFT product, very modern product. Recently we have done. So 915 pre-booking conversion leads we generated, and close to 3 lakhs pre-booking amount was collected by the company. So NFT was the niche. This is for our own Profit Funnel University. During my boot camps, actually, I generate 1,000 leads and spend roughly 50,000 on different types of ad, not just lead ads. And each batch I collect around 3 to 4 lakhs rupees, keeping in mind that 6,000 was the product price, right? So these are the case studies I wanted to show you and tell that this works. Lead generation, nurturing, and making sales, making profit works. It worked for me. It worked for them, my clients, my participants. It will work for you too. So that is what is the message I want to convey here. And it's your turn to generate, nurture, and convert the leads to sales and make a profit. So your leads will convert now. And this is my invitation. If you are looking forward to generating quality leads, nurture them well, and make a sales and make profit, you are invited for this upcoming workshop, the Profitable Facebook Lead Funnel Live Workshop. Remember, this is not a lead ad workshop. It's a complete lead funnel workshop where we'll be learning about lead generation in different ways: lead forms, instant form we call it, conversion ads through forms, WhatsApp leads, messenger leads, and so on. We'll also talk about remarketing, retargeting, audience definition, creating your business one page, and so on. So click on the link in the description and explore for yourself how you can take your steps towards your profit making Facebook lead ad campaigns. See you on the other side of the thing, and see you in the workshop. Bye.